just switched drivers about 6 a.m., 6:30.
Something like that.
Yeah, right before it started getting light. I got really tired, so we're on a quick deadline, so...
Keep it rolling.
Oh, yeah, we gotta... If we don't make our pickup by when they shut the gates for the night, it'll be so it's 6 a.m. tomorrow morning before we can come back, and I just don't want to do that. I want to get this vehicle, check it out, make sure everything's good to go, because I'm the type where if I think there's anything I need to do to it, put new tires on it, get new batteries, get anything done to it, it's better to get it done then go get a hotel room if you need to, rather than get a hotel room, pick the vehicle up, and then kills a whole nother day if you have to do that. So you're cruising along, got your Bigs. Yeah, new flavor, hot honey.
Yep.
You like those?
Yep.
Yeah, she's also got her. She also got her some dill pickle. So yeah, Tracy is the sunflower seed queen. She can put in some miles as long as you give her some damn sunflower seeds.
That's right.
How you like this car?
Sunflower seeds or popcorn.
There you go.
I hate this car.
Oh, I do too.
Absolutely hate it.
Oh yeah, you can't even sleep in it over here.
Honestly, it ranks right there with the Ford Focus for me for a car rental. I hate them both.
Really, yeah. So we just went through. Where are we at? We're only about 43 miles from St. Louis.
Yeah.
So we should be getting close to St. Clair.
Yeah.
Just off mileage. So I've done this trip so much, I kind of know the mile of everywhere. We're always coming up here, but man, this is the longest route. On the way back, we're going to go back through Nashville, through Kentucky. On the way back, because she'll be rolling this back all by herself and these little dogs.
Yeah.
Here's one right here. This is Barkley. There are traveling dogs. We don't go as much as we used to.
Yeah, it's been a while since they've...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta hit this place every time we come. Get a little fuel, let the dogs go to the bathroom. We go to the bathroom, we get us a load of Wally's. What do you think? You like Wally? You like this better than Wally's? Or Buc-ee's?
Yes.
Wally's is better than Buc-ee's.
Because they have popcorn.
Oh yeah, they do. And they got a special popcorn of the month too.
Let's go.
And they have an ice cream station.
Oh, they got all kinds of steak. The barbecue's
All
actually
kinds of
better
things.
too. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wally.
You're good?
Yeah, pump on this side. Yeah, this is fine. All right. Well,
They still got snow here.
all right. We'll come back and see what kind of we score. Well, you never know when we go in here. We score big, don't we? It's a good one. Look, y'all, look it up. Need one of those. Sorry, had a phone call. I forgot to put it on airplane mode when we're doing this. That's, we're learning. This is the first time trying to be professionals. But everybody knows me. How can, I try to be professional, but I'm kind of goofy about that. So, anyways, I was going to show you a trick here. So, see this eDrive? You can do eDrive mode. Put it on hybrid. If I had battery, it makes it even better. But I'm going to be on hybrid. And there's two paddles here, and I'm doing 71. I'm going to floor it and hit these paddles and watch this go vroom vroom. And just like that, 10 seconds later, we went from 71 to 86. This Hornet,
Crazy.
you don't want to mess with this Hornet.
Crazy.
Actually, it's slow as hell. But this is some kind of turbo 12 second or 15 second shot of extra horsepower, which sales gimmick. As a dealer, BS. So anyway, stay tuned. If we get something worth recording, we're going to hit you back. If not, we will see you in Cleveland, and we're going to reveal our big surprise. So we're going to do this together. So everybody comment in there and tell me what you think I got, because this is one of many that I'm going to get something like this. I just love them. So I try not to put my feelings towards something, but I kind of like driving what I bought. And I thought, you know what? It's been a while since I went this far driving one. So guess what? That was another reason I bought it. Good deal. And I want to drive it. And I get to drive it because I can. So we'll stay tuned. Good old Ohio. There's a correction line in the highway, the state highway. This is the correction line. State line is right after this curve. Made it to the state that we were looking to get to. They got a lot of snow up here.
Yeah.
They got a little bit this morning. We see some drifts that were 4 feet deep in some places.
Yeah.
Against some buildings and fences.
Yeah, there was one house that was completely enclosed.
All right. Well, here is welcome to Ohio. There's State Line Road right there. Ohio Indian line.
Ohio.
All right. So we are a little over 3 hours away still, and 216 miles. Still 7:10 p.m. ETA. Got a lot of nice houses up here. A lot of there's a big old church back there. Little community, Trinity. Tracy likes to get off the beaten path like this.
Yeah.
I tend to get on some dirt roads sometimes when I do this. And she always laughs at me when we end up on a dirt road. So it ain't over yet. This is
Grand Lake.
yeah, this is Salina, Ohio, Grand Lake. It looks like it's completely iced over. Let's go walk on it.
That's crazy.
You want to walk on it? It's 33 outside right now, but man, that's crazy. That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't gonna lie, that's pretty dang cool. So yeah, the things we see when we go back road off the main beaten path. A lot of people just stay on that highway.
In 0.2 miles, turn right.
We like to see things.
Venture out.
Yeah, we never see this before. Look, there's a little.
We have adventures.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool because it's just snowed over.
Yeah.
It's like iced and snowed over. That's
Yeah,
cool.
you can see some broken up
Yeah,
spots.
right. Yeah, that'd be cool to see how thick. I guess they've been pretty cold for the last 2 weeks up here, so that's
Turn right
probably
on East Market Street.
that's probably what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I got my my helper, my driving helper. Jack's learning how to drive, so Jack's going to be our chauffeur. So
Yeah.
he's learned how to drive. He's got his permit. So tell him you got your permit. So Jack's got his permit.
You got your permit, buddy?
So yeah, that's cool. That's a little something we didn't expect. That's maybe where those houseboats we saw, like why those massive houseboats out of the middle of nowhere.
Probably.
Maybe they go on that. Yeah, because it's a pretty good, bigger than ours. One of them's the size of our houseboat, the one we
Yeah.
just bought, and the other one's like one you rent at the lake. It's got like 2 or 3 bedrooms.
Yeah.
So I was like, there ain't no. I mean, the ocean's a ways from, or not, the Great Lakes a ways from here. But that might be what happened. So anyway, cool to see this stuff. This is Salina, Ohio. So shout out to Salina. Cool little town. Pretty little town. So we gotta see some cool stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
there's the Moose Lodge. That's your moose knuckles.
Salina.
Yeah. That's where it's the moose knuckles right there by the lake. So in the summertime, you go to the Moose Lodge, get those moose knuckles. They're on special. 2 knuckles for the price of 1. So we're going up here. I think we've got, like 20 miles, and then we go up and hit, I guess, some other highway, and then another highway, and then we're gonna go into Mansfield, Ohio. So tell me what you think's there. Does anybody know? We've been there because we picked up a charger there once. I bought a charger in Mansfield, Ohio. So anybody reach, put in the comments, what do you think is there that's famous? And when we get there, we will let everybody know, and we'll film it real quick. It's just like half mile off the highway, so it's on our route. So like I said, put it in your comments. Tell us what you think it is, and then you're going to see here shortly. We're gonna show what it is, and you're going to be, wow, I didn't know that was there. So stay tuned. Well, this is what we did not want to happen. We got snow and blizzard conditions, high wind coming off the, what is that, Lake Erie? What lake is that, Superior? Erie? I don't even know.
Yeah, it's Erie.
Yeah, we got strong winds from the north blowing this snow. Back there we had like blizzard conditions. What is it? Luckily the temperature is 29 and it's going to drop down to 15 at midnight. So we're still going to try to turn and burn and try to at least get south a little ways, get out of this, because this was not supposed to happen. It was supposed to be tomorrow and a little bit this morning. This wasn't supposed to happen. So that's your typical mess that happens. Is you never know what Mother Nature's going to do, and these meteorologists are very seldom correct because of the changes in a lot of things. So we are 5 minutes away, 4 miles from the auction house. We're gonna hopefully get this thing turning and burning, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get to the gate, get my gate pass. I'm gonna get in there, and then we're gonna put eyes on it together. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna put eyes on this thing together, and we're gonna make this happen one way or another. So